Wi-Fi connected but no internet. Don't worry. Let's fix it fast. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is connected, but there's no internet. Let's fix this step by step. Fix 1. Turn Wi-Fi off and on. Click on the Wi-Fi icon. Turn it off. Wait a few seconds. And turn it back on. Simple, but it works often. Fix 2. Restart your router. Turn off your router. Wait for 30 seconds. Then turn it back on. This fixes most network issues instantly. Fix 3. Forget and reconnect the network. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi. Click on your network and select Forget. Now reconnect it using your password. Fix 4. Reset network using CMD. Search for CMD and open it. Run these commands one by one. Commands are on the screen and in the description. After that, restart your PC. And that's it. Your internet should be working now.